old ocean. None knoweth thy story. Man cannot thy secrets unfold.
It's the knowledge about what is under the surface that to all times have kept the coastal people and the coast alive.
We come here not to harvest the land, we come here to harvest the sea. This is our resource, this is my land right here, and I'm not allowed to fish my land. The people that were supposed to protect us are the people that are destroying us.
We cannot keep doing what we're doing. We cannot.
The most important type of energy that we really need, it's food.
What's at stake for them economically is huge. They stand to make billions of dollars in profit. Our province stands to make billions of dollars in revenue.
Oil and politics have always been mixed.
We are sick of giving away everything.
Fishing isn't done at sea anymore, it's done at tables in Brussels.
Our stocks will collapse if they keep going like this.
There will be a moratorium on harvesting of northern cod.
6 generations down the line passed down, and he's done nothing but SHIT